What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have this 2025 Jeep Wrangler and we're gonna program all keys loss for this Jeep. So basically all these Jeeps pretty much have the gateway module located down here. I'm gonna just zoom it in for you guys so you can see by yourself. You're gonna see it right there. As you can see, that's the gateway. And we're gonna need some adapters to be able to program all keys loss. By the way, this car is discharged. There's no battery, so we're gonna put a jumper on it. But before we start with that, we are going to program keys for this. So a lot of people ask me, you can either use original keys or you can use universal keys. Pretty much work the same. I'm gonna try and program all three so you guys can see the difference on this. And a lot of people ask me, how do you program these keys? Well, let me show you really quick with this tool. This is the, basically I would say Autel IM2 version 2, the Pro Edition. And for that, what I do is I go to universal key generation right there, press to continue, universal key generation. We're in America and we're gonna choose Jeep, type by model. It's a Wrangler and it says all the years supported. So if we put 2024, we get, it's pretty much the same all the way to 2025, and that's the frequency ID number. Also, we can do the same thing with the VVDI Master Key Toolmax Pro. We go to remote, which is search for the Jeep, and we search by Wrangler. As you can see, it says Wrangler 2019 to 2024, and the frequency ID, the frequency is 433, and we have another frequency of 315. So mostly you use these two, and also we have the other pretty good pretty one. We have many over here. So let me show you what I did. I generated this one on these two already, and this one with that tool. So let me hook everything, make sure we have power and everything, and I'm going to install this, guys. We're gonna retrieve the pin code and start programming a brand new key for this vehicle. Okay, so we have power now in the vehicle and we have the hazards on. So we're just gonna wait for this vehicle, well, for the scanner to actually access the information. Just gonna do automatic detection. As you can see, already detected the bin. And like I said, we're gonna try all these three keys to see which work and well and which will not work. But I've done these vehicles with this, so I'm pretty much this one will work. So we have 2025 Jeep Wrangler, like I said. Just gonna do this. Come on. And well, a lot of people will not show you this information, so I'm showing you guys so you guys can see by yourself. If you're in this business, I'm sharing all this information for you guys, and probably a lot of people will be mad at me, but who cares? Okay, just wait. We have good connection, good info. And once I get the pin code, I'm just gonna pause it because I don't want you guys to see the pin code. So let me just pause the video. Okay, so I'm attempting to get the pin code. Okay, so as you can see, it got the password, but I'm not sharing this password with you guys, so I'll pause it. Alright, so now that we have the password, we're just gonna do all keys lost, guided. We're gonna start. It's gonna erase all the keys in the system. It's gonna tell me to do the password. It says if you want to reread, we press no because I already read the password. So two keys are programmed. We're just gonna erase all of them. So the password has been entered. We're just gonna wait until it says 0 keys program. There we go. And now we're gonna program our keys. So it says that you have to remove all the electronic devices, but we're not doing that, so we're just gonna press yes. And as soon as we press yes, we're gonna press this button right here. We just wait. Come on. We try the other ones. And there we go. Keys program. As you can see, one key program, and this one actually. So pretty much all the keys will work. It says if you want to program another key, we just press yes. We're gonna press this one. Come on, press continue. Take this one right here. Okay, we put it right there. Come on, come on, come on. Take it, take it. We're gonna try the other one. And it's taking a little bit of time. Come on. But that one took it really fast, so that's good. And there we go. You already got this one too. So we have now two keys, as you can see. This one working, and this one working too. Now we're gonna try this one, see if it works. Okay, press continue. Okay, we'll try now. Come on. I think the battery is bad on this. But anyways, I'm just gonna take all these keys out. I'm gonna put them right here. Just gonna use this one right here. Come on, come on. Okay, just gotta wait. Okay, let's try one more time. Let's put it right here. Come on, take it. For some reason the button's not lighting up, so I guess we just gotta wait for this 40 seconds. And just wait. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Okay, well, looks like this key is not taking anything, so we're just gonna take this away. And like I said, these two keys are working fine. So these are the keys that will work fine with the vehicle, as you can see. So now we're just gonna use these keys to turn on the vehicle, and let's see. As you can see, the car is running, guys, and we successfully programmed brand new keys for this Jeep. This is how you do it. And well, using the IM608 Pro 2, this is how you program all key slots for this brand new 2025 Jeep Wrangler. Like I said, the gateway adapter is this one right here. I'll leave the link in the description so you guys can get it. And well, don't forget to connect back, otherwise it will not start the vehicle. Alright guys, so this will be pretty much the end of the video. Please, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, subscribe, comment down below, turn notifications on, and I'll see you on the next episode. JVFIX out. Bye.